So when I checked online, they said the speaker for the Mitsubishi 2003 is a 6.5 inch, but when I bought my 6.5 inch speaker, it's too small, and you can see it. It's too small. And so what I need now is an adapter. Okay, for the adapter, the speaker's gonna be screwed into that hole, that hole, that hole, and that hole. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. Okay, I got the adapter on all 4 speakers. They're good to go. So here's the wire where I'm gonna use. Go to the stereo. Depending on how you like to do it, you can either cut it, splice it. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plug these onto the little hole and tape it up, and sure works. And as you can see, I solder these wires so they're nice and solid like a needle, and it'll just fit right in. I'm not using the old screws. I'm using a new one I bought from Home Depot. They're screw number 10. You can see your window is right there. If you put in your new speaker and it's touching your window, then your speaker is too big. You're gonna need a new spacer for right here, so your speaker pop out a little bit. Before you put on your grill, turn on your stereo and test your speaker. If it sounds right, then go ahead and put it on your grill. The last can put on the grill, and the grill be screwed onto these right here. Make sure it's facing a certain direction because it will fit onto the grill. It'll be that one right there, right here, and this one over here. While holding the grill on the top, just hand fit it first, and you can screw it in after. For the door panel, you slide it sideways like this. The top click to the top first. Remember to pull out your cord for the power window right here, and just hit the bottom to click all your clicker back in. Put the cover back into your door opener right here. Click it out like this. Put it in. The clip over here have to hook onto the bottom part first before you hit the side. Just like that. This part right here. Let's click back right here. Take your plug it back into your window opener. It should click back on like that. Take one, you screw the cap and put it on. Take the screws. Take your longer screw and put it into that. Take your cap and put it in. Take your screw with the cap here. Take the outer cap, so slide right on. Take the correct screw, screw it right on. Take this cap, it should click right on. And now that you got your door panel and your rear grille, everything installed, you go in and play a song and listen to your music and see if you like what you hear. You can also check my other 2 videos on disassemble and polarity testing for the speaker replacement. And again, thanks for watching.